Okay, now that you have your pressure versus volume graph, I'll move this to the side. Let's go ahead and do pressure versus inverse of volume. So I will label this, I'll label a column inverse volume, and I will go equals. I'll grab this entry, and I will raise this to the -1 power, and it inverts it for me. If I grab the bottom right-hand corner, click, drag, hold, it'll automatically calculate the volumes for this entire column, invert those. So now we can go to Insert again, Chart, right-click, and select Data. Go to Add, and the series name is Pressure versus 1 over volume. You can see like that. Series X values, these are the inverse volume values, so go down to row 7. Series Y values, still pressure, equals, okay. Again, you know the drill, add your axes, title them appropriately, trend line, and this time it is linear, more options, vertical green bars, display equation on chart, and there you have it. And if you want, you can change this value from this number category from general to scientific, because I will ask you to analyze the meaning for this slope. Okay. Once everything's correct, copy and paste this into your Word document, and that's all. Thanks for watching.